For loops and while loops. We've spent most of this section looking at how they work. Essentially, they both serve the same purpose. They let you do something a repeated number of times. If you're watching really carefully, you may have even noticed that we use the same flowchart to introduce both loops. At this point, it's natural to ask, are while loops and for loops really the same thing? The answer? Both yes and no. Yes, they do serve the same purpose, and at some level, deep down inside the microcontroller, they can actually be implemented the same way once you compile your program. However, they do have real differences in how we use them. Their control variables are initialized differently, and we have to update the control variables differently too. Therefore, when we are actually using them in our C programs, they do have real differences. I have seen some engineers and programs debate this topic for hours. For our purposes, however, we will just acknowledge that both for loops and while loops are useful C commands that can be used in our programs to serve our immediate needs of repeating a task.